Airbnb App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. If you're planning a vacation or a short-term stay in 2025, chances are you've considered Airbnb. But is the app still the best choice for booking unique stays? Let's break it down. Most people get this wrong by thinking Airbnb is only for quirky or budget accommodations. The surprising truth is that Airbnb now offers everything from luxury villas to entire resorts, plus experiences like guided tours or cooking classes, all accessible directly through the app. This makes it a full-service platform for travelers looking for flexibility and personalization. One of the biggest pros is convenience. The app is user-friendly, allowing you to search by location, price, amenities, and ratings. You can filter for entire homes, private rooms, or shared spaces. Secure payment processing, verified reviews, and a clear cancellation policy give users peace of mind. Airbnb also offers instant booking in many locations, which saves time for last-minute trips. However, there are cons to consider. Service fees can range between 10–15%, which adds up for longer stays. Some listings are managed by third-party hosts, which can affect communication or check-in processes. Additionally, local regulations in certain cities have limited short-term rentals, so availability may vary depending on your destination. In conclusion, the Airbnb app in 2025 is still one of the most versatile platforms for booking accommodations and experiences. It's perfect for travelers who value variety, user-friendly features, and the ability to discover unique stays that hotels simply can't match. Just be mindful of service fees, read reviews carefully, and check local rules to ensure a smooth stay. If used wisely, Airbnb continues to offer a convenient and exciting travel experience for almost any type of traveler.